Today was a one crazy day. We actually made a little bit of profit at first, and then, of course, when the hey guys, good morning. We just hit a crazy trade with the news. I'm about to hop on the computer so we can talk about it. Today was a one crazy day. Um, we actually made a little bit of profit at first, and then, of course, when the news came around, we lost all of the profit that we've made and actually are in a little bit of drawdown. I'll throw it up on the screen right now to show you all the trades that we took. We're about to hop on the computer, gonna check out the trades, talk about it a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and dive into what exactly happened on those trades. So let's go ahead and do that. So for our gold trade that happened in the morning, right around 12 a.m., I'll put it on the screen now. It was a 1-for-1. It wasn't anything crazy. I just threw it in so I can get the account up. Just, more profit, gives me more margin to use. So that's what I was really aiming for. At that point, I waited until the morning. Once the morning came around, I took in this. And when I mean morning, guys, I mean at 1 in the morning, not like in the morning, like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 1 in the morning. I took in another buy because there's usually a lot of volatility around 1 to 3 for the Asian session, and I was looking for a push up. It pushed up a little bit, then came back down, pushed up again, and then finally broke through and came all the way down here. So at that point, I was like, all right, I'm done for the night. I walked away from the computer, closed it, that was it. New day. So today, I was trying to get this trade in for gold, which at first we looked for a sell opportunity once this came below this high, and I was targeting this low for an entry and this low to pull out. It got to right about here, and I was gonna pull it up, but I was like, we're right there, we're right there. We could do it. And of course, it came right back up and then stopped me out. So at that point, I was like, I gotta be more careful, especially because of the news that just came out at 8:30. I mean, for the second day, I can't expect much. It's a challenge. I'm risking a lot. And to be honest, I'm quite frankly forcing trades because I'm trying to complete this challenge in a reasonable time frame. So, that being said, I think tomorrow what I'll do is I'll hop back on the markets. We do have more news tomorrow. So, hopefully, I'll be able to get it right this time and we'll be in a lot of profit. But again, don't want to second guess it. Don't want to overcomplicate it as well. So we're just going to do that. I'll keep you guys updated. If I do take any other trades, you will be the first to know. But unless that happens, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, welcome back. So it is now 3:30 in the afternoon. It is Wednesday the 15th. And I finished for the day. CPI news was around 8:30, 9 o'clock this morning, and yeah, we smashed it. We really did. So I'm gonna hop on the computer, just gonna transfer it right now, and we're just gonna look at how we did for the day. We did one simple trade, and I took this on my live account. One of my or not one of my, but I have 6 funded accounts or challenges with a prop firm, so I caught it all on that one. And I actually have my live account, my personal live account that I also took a trade with as well for this. So this is plain and simple. CPI, it's always going to do this, and I'm going to be plain straightforward with this. If it's going to go down, it's going to go up. And let me pull something up for this. If it goes like this, guys, if it goes up, like just like what it did, if it goes up, it's going to come back down. And it's going to go back up again if it's supposed to, right? And the same thing if it's going to go down. It will go down first, come back up, and then continue going down. So whenever you're trading news, it's pretty simple, I would say. The problem is that you never know until it happens. That's number one. And number two, if you are trading and you put orders in during news, like if this was back here and you're seeing a little spike and you put in an order if you put in a buy, there's that possibility that I could just come right back down. It could come right back down. And at that point, now you're in crazy drawdown because you might have caught it when it spiked up and it was up here, not actually down here. And you think that you're in crazy profits right now. So you got to be careful when trading news. But I knew because of economical data and just looking at news markets that it was going to go up because the dollar was going to fall. Inflation rates, as you can see, once it came out, it just dropped. As soon as it dropped, I knew that there was going to be an immediate reaction for gold. So once it came up, I was looking for that sell because I knew it was going to come back down further than go back up. So when it came back down, I caught it. I was getting a little shaky after it took out this high because I don't know at what point it was going to come back, if it was going to be fully or it was going to bounce right back up again. So I took it out right about here, but it actually came way down here. So if I would have held that, that would have been one crazy trade. Just plain and simple. I'll throw it up on the screen now, how much I made on the challenge account that we're doing for the video. I'll actually show you guys my challenges that I'm doing and my live account. So it's plain and simple, guys. This stuff is as easy as it gets. I don't know how else to say it. For tomorrow, I'm not going to be going crazy. I think I'm just going to take it easy after today. There is more news again, but not as bad as today. I think it's just employment claims or something. So it shouldn't be that high volatility. It's still high volatility though. So we'll find out tomorrow though. If I do find any trades, I'll keep you guys posted. But until then,